In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the size of your cursor in Windows 10 or Windows 11. As you can see, my cursor is too big and I'd like to reduce the size to appropriate size. Now all you need to do is to go to Start menu and then click on Settings. Now from Settings, go ahead and look for an option called Devices. So this will open devices that you have on your computer and you are interested in mouse. So go ahead and click on mouse. Now as you can see, we have an option for cursor speed and lines, but we are interested in changing the size. Now to adjust the size of the cursor, go ahead and look for related settings, which is here. And from here, look for an option called Adjust Mouse and Cursor Size. Click on it to open. Then from here, you can see an option to change the size of your pointer or your cursor. So go ahead and adjust the pointer size. And if I scroll back, you can see the cursor has reduced in size. If I increase, you can see the adjustment there. So adjust it to the most appropriate size. For my case, I'm comfortable here at 2. By default, it is usually at 1. So if you're okay with 1, it is okay. But if you want to resize it, just go ahead and choose from number 1 all the way to number 14. So I'll adjust it to number 2 and leave it at that. So that's how you adjust the cursor size on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.